Hello everybody, welcome to our channel Wizard of Geology. Today we will discuss 8 MCQs with their solution. So without delay, let's start our discussion video 12. What is the first question? Arrange the following supercontinents in decreasing order of their age. These supercontinents were formed by Wilson cycle. What is Wilson cycle? Continents were collided with each other and they were forming supercontinent, and due course of time they broke up. This was a continuous process. Wilson cycle. What is the age of Wood supercontinent? That is 2803 to 2408 million year. Okay. Similarly, Pangea formed during 335 to 175 million year. This is youngest supercontinent. Kenorland, this formed during 2720 to 2114 million year ago. Similarly, Rodinia, it formed during 1130 to 750 million year ago. So which is oldest? That is Ur supercontinent. Then Kenorland, then Rodinia, at last Pangea. So order will be A, C, D, B. A, C, D, B. That is option D is correct. Okay. Next, which of the following is found in the orbit size between 30 to 50 angstrom unit? Wood cloud, Kuiper belts, scattered disk objects, none of the above. All these three are belong to trans-Neptunian object. These objects are revolving around the sun as meteorites or celestial bodies. Which orbit is found between 30 to 50 angstrom unit? That is, answer is Kuiper belt. Wood cloud, this is found greater than 50 angstrom unit. And scattered disk objects, this form greater than 2000 angstrom unit. Which isotopic system is used for dating core formation in the earth and planetary bodies? Ruthenium, hafnium tungsten, rhenium osmium, uranium thorium, and helium. So which is the right answer? The right answer is hafnium tungsten. Okay. Hafnium belongs to the which group? That is lithophile. And tungsten, that is siderophile. So tungsten is incorporated into the core of earth. So this hafnium and tungsten, this isotopic decay system, half-life is T half is 9 million year. This is very short. So this is used for dating the core formation of earth and other meteorites, etc. Similarly, ruthenium and hafnium. Ruthenium is parent, which is heavy rare earth element. This belongs to the what? This belongs to similarly SMND type. And rhenium osmium both are chalcophile. Okay, both are chalcophile group. These are used for dating molybdenum and copper sulfide minerals in hydrothermal ore deposit. Okay. And uranium, thorium, helium, this is atomophile, so it will escape degassing. So this is generally used for dating the mental differentiation. process. Which among the following does not occur centrally to the source of force? Gravitational field, electrostatic field, magnetic field, none of the above. So the right answer is magnetic field. Why magnetic field? You know, gravitational field occurs centrally, okay, and electrostatic force, if this is a positive charge and this is negative charge, this will occur centrally, this will go, okay, and this is outward, this is centrally. But you don't find any magnet, if there is a magnet, don't find north pole alone or south pole alone. This is always, these are always together, so you cannot separate north pole or south pole. So this is not centrally. Look here, if there is a bar magnet, this is north and this is south pole, so the magnetic field will be always north to south, okay, this is always north to south. You cannot divide this north pole south pole alone, this both always exist together, so this magnetic field is not centrally to the source of force. Arrange the following minerals in decreasing order of their blocking temperature. What is blocking temperature? Blocking temperature is also known as closure temperature. Okay, closure temperature. What is this blocking temperature? It is the temperature below which, okay, below which there is no decay or radioactivity of parent or daughter isotope, okay. So it is the temperature below which there will be no decay of the parent or daughter isotope of in any mineral, okay. Curie temperature is it is the temperature above which the magnetic property of any mineral is destroyed or it changes, okay, okay, Curie temperature. So what will be the answer here? This is 600, this is 300, sorry, this is 300 and this is 100 degrees centigrade, okay, that is the closure temperature of these minerals. So the right answer will be A, C, B, that is option C is correct, okay. Zones separating different air masses are called anticyclone, cyclones, fronts, colds. This is very easy question. If this is warm air and this is cold air, okay, this mixing line, when the warm air comes in contact with this cold air, this is a heavy, cold air is generally heavy and warm air is light, so it rises above this cold air, so here the front is generated, okay. So the right answer is option C, fronts. Manganese deposit is found in which group, okay, manganese deposit, Belladilla group, Udaipur group, Saucer group, Nalamalai group. The right answer is option C, that is Saucer group, okay. Belladilla group, this is you find here BIF, banded iron formation, Udaipur phosphorite, okay, and Nalamalai group lead copper, okay. Phag-Phog quartzite and Bennigard slates, both formations belong to which stratigraphic group? Upper Nouakchott group, Middle Nouakchott group, Lower Nouakchott group, none of the above. The right answer is Middle Nouakchott group. Okay, this Nouakchott group belongs to the what? Precambrian succession of Lesser Himalaya. Okay, Lesser Himalaya. You find this in Nepal. Okay, and in middle Navakot group, Malekhu limestone also found. Okay, Malekhu limestone, and in lower Navakot group, Kuncha formation. Okay, Kuncha formation. Upper Navakot, Nurpur formation and Dhading dolomite. Okay, Nurpur formation and Dhading dolomite. Okay, today we will conclude our discussion video here, and I have attached a short note at this end of this video. Okay, so just look at that short note. Thank you.